everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope guys you are doing great. So here I am with another video, and in today's video I'm going to recreate this Kareena Kapoor Khan's look. So as you can see that here she has smoky eyes, pink cheeks, nude lips and all of that highlighter. So I'm going to recreate something same. So yeah. So here I am all set to do my makeup. This is my bare face right now. So the first things first, let me tie my hair. Yes. Second thing what I'm going to do is to moisturize my face. So yeah, I'm using my regular moisturizer. So I'm going to put it on my face and I'll wait for some time so that the product gets absorbed in my skin. And after that I will do my eye makeup. For that I am using this Maybelline concealer. I feel that in makeup less is more. The less product you use, the more flawless your makeup looks. So yeah, this is how it works for me. So I prefer it that way. That's why I'm putting very little bit of concealer under my eye as well as on my upper eyelid. I have blended it like very well with my fingers, and this is how I look after I have applied concealer on my eyes. This is my Faces Canada's compact powder and I have heard that जब भी आप concealer apply करो तो उसके ऊपर से आपको powder apply करना होता है, otherwise it can crease. So yeah, I'm following the beauty rule out there, and then I will take the rest of the powder and apply it all over my face. Next I'm going to take up is this Nykaa's eyeshadow palette, and I will take this skin color. I will put it on my upper lid and a little bit like under my eye, just to even that tone, because it's a very nice skin color and it is matching to my skin color. So it just evens the tone. Then I'm going to take up this light brown and dark brown shade together, and then I will put it on my eyelid. Next I'm going to take up is this dark brown shade from the same eye palette, and I will put it like on the lower part of my eyelid, because I want that intense dark brown, especially at the lower part. So yes, I have put on that. So this is how my eyes look. Next I'm going to take up is this black colossal kajal. Kareena Kapoor also has this kajal in her lower waterline as well as in the upper lid. So I'm going to do the same and then I will smudge it out. Now I will take up this brush, and with this I'm gonna smudge my eyelid properly so that all the kajal is smudged and that smoky eye kind of effect is created. Then I will take up this Wet n Wild black quad eyeshadow, which I really love, and I'm gonna like have the black eyeshadow over the kajal. Then I will take up this dark brown shade from the same Nykaa palette and again put it over that black eyeshadow and that smudged kajal, so that intense brown, grey, black, that kind of effect is created on my eyelid. Because this is what Kareena does and this is what I'm trying to achieve here in this look. I have taken up the kajal again and I'm putting it in my lower waterline, and I will apply it very neatly, that sleek line which Kareena Kapoor has in her look. Then I will take up this little brush. It's a very pointed brush, and with that I will try to like smudge it a little bit, because that's how she has done. So now I'm taking up that black eyeshadow again, and with that pointed brush I will try to neat my eyes a little bit. Now I'm blending everything out with this brush so that it looks little neat. Next I'm going to take up is this highlighter, and I will put this highlighter on my brow bones so that both of my eyes, they look more popped out. Next I'm going to take up is this empty mascara, and उसमें से मैं mascara जो wand है उससे I will brush up my eyebrows. I just love this trick and it works amazing for me. I do my eyebrows this way. Then I'm going to take up is this mascara. Of course this is not empty one. तो इससे मैं अपनी eyelashes को अच्छे से I will voluminize them, and because this is how Kareena does, she has not put any fake lashes. I'm going to do the same thing. this is how my eyes look right now, and I think I'm good to go. And like my eye makeup is done. It is done from my side, at least. Yeah, let's see how the look all together comes up. So yeah, next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip foundation today because it's summers, and anyways I'm not a foundation person, so I'm gonna skip that. But definitely I'll put some blush and some highlighter, and yeah, let's just do that. Right now I'm putting some compact powder on my face because as I have skipped foundation, so I'm gonna go for the compact. Next I'm taking up is this blush. This is from Sugar, and I just love the packaging of Sugar. Like they are very innovative, their packaging. I just love that. So yeah, I'm putting it on my cheeks, and Karina has also put a lot of blush on her cheeks. So I'm gonna do the same, and I'm putting a lot of it. And also this Sugar Cosmetics blush is like very deep. Okay, so here I am giving touch up to my face using my hands. Okay, next I'm going to take up is this highlighter, and I'm going to highlight the highest points on my face using this highlighter. This Wet n Wild highlighter, guys, this is amazing. I just love it. Now I'm taking up is this Lakme lipstick, and it's such a nice brown kind of color, but I don't know, on camera it looked like some pinkish color, like it had a tinge of pink, but believe me, it's not that. It's a very nice brown color because I didn't had like the same shade of what Karina has in that photograph, so I thought of going for this one. This is a really nice brown color, and it also suits like my face. I don't know, my face just pops up whenever I put on this lipstick. So here is the look all together, and this is how it turned out to be. Okay, now I've opened up my hair and giving some random poses. So guys, you tell me what you think about this look, and like, am I even close to her? And yeah, I just did my best. I don't know whether I was able to put up the look she was carrying in this picture, but still I did my best and I tried my best. Whatever the makeup I knew, I just did that. But जैसा भी ये look create हुआ है, I think anyhow I just liked it, and like बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे face पे, and ऐसे भी I can like put on this look, and it has turned out pretty amazing. उसके जैसा similar हुआ हो नहीं हुआ, I don't know that, but at least like in its own way it's nice. If you like this video, go hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.